I am in Wildwood, New Jersey, the Jersey Shore, my summer vacation. We come down here every year and love it. And so far, the weather has been beautiful. It's a warm day, but not too hot. There's a little breeze, and the water's actually warm. So you know what? Stay tuned. I'm going to bring you some cool shots of our vacation. The family came down and there's 11 of us. The beaches in Wildwood are very big and very long. So for those that don't want to walk, you can just call the number and a little beach taxi will pick you up on the sand and bring you all the way down to the water or wherever you want to go. The walk is too long for me, so I always take the beach taxi, and Scott tags along with me. Planes pulling their banners. Oh, what does that one say? Sun's out, fun's out. And they're talking about going to Maury. There's the lifeguard taking the boat out for a little ride. Saw them running up and down the beach before getting their exercise. There they go. Woo! This little boy over here built this octopus. I can... What?
You want to be in the picture?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. He wants to be in the picture. Good job. And look at these legs.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. How long did it take you to make this?
About 15 minutes.
That's all?
Yeah.
You did a good job. Very nice.
Daddy did it. So when I was eating breakfast, Daddy made the food.
Oh, Daddy made it while you were eating breakfast? Oh, you have a nice daddy. Very nice. Oh my goodness, look at this. What did you build? This is pretty cool. Wow. And it's all filling up with water? You can play in it? Wow, that must have taken a lot of time to build. Very nice. There's a section of the beach where you can bring your dog. It's the Wildwood Dog Beach. And it says enter at your own risk. And they have rules and regulations, and the dogs love it. So I'm going to show you a couple of clips of some of the dogs with their owners playing in the water and the sand. Oh, how cute! The doggy's doing paw with Gina. What's the dog's name?
What's your dog's name? This is Molly.
Molly, and who's the other one?
It's cute. Apple.
Mine's my dog's Cinnamon. Let's see, Apple. Here you go. You want to be in the video? Next year I'm going to bring Cinnamon down. Yes. Here's another doggy on the beach. What's your dog's name? Bo? That one doesn't look like a Bo. Does he like the beach or she?
Yeah.
Is it a he or a she?
He.
It's a he. Oh, hi, Bo. Here's another one. That's Indy. Does Indy like the beach?
It's her first time.
Oh, it's her
She likes
first
water.
time. Oh, whoa.
Gotta figure out
Hi, Indy. You like the beach? Yeah. Here's another one. Hi, you like the water? What's your dog's name? What's your dog's name?
Berkeley.
What?
Berkeley.
Berkeley. Is Berkeley friendly? Okay. Hi, Berkeley. Hello. Do you like the water? Yeah? That's good.
She likes it enough. We've been here for a week.
Oh, that's good. I think I'll bring mine down next year. Mine's a cockapoo, small.
Cockapoo.
Cockapoo named Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yeah.
Oh, how sweet.
Yeah. He's cute. Bye. Have fun. Here's the big fire hydrant at the entrance to the dog park on the beach. The dog park is lovely. It's big. And there's sand, and it's all fenced in. And there's all little fun things that the dogs can play in. And it's such a nice idea. And then part of the beach is partitioned off for the dogs. Here's one coming out over here. Look who I found on the beach. The famous wolf of Wildwood. Everybody sees the wolf on the Wildwood boardwalk. Well, now I met him. Here he is. He's on the beach. This is a wolf. The Wildwood wolf. Ooh, taking a nice video of him.
Yeah.
What's the wolf's name?
His name is King Wolfie.
King Wolfie. Hi, King Wolfie. You're a big guy. You're a big fella.
A-Dot. A-Y-Y-D-O-T. A-Dot. Yep.
How old is the wolf?
That's famous, man. Yeah, man. He really gained a lot of attention in the past couple years.
I see you. I see you walking on the boardwalk all the time in the videos. Yeah.
I got so much new content for this couple weeks. You're gonna see some really good videos. You know what people really love? That always blows up and goes viral. Him walking next to the tram car.
Oh
They
yeah.
love seeing that.
Oh really?
Because they love him and they love the tram car. Both of them in one video.
Is he friendly with people, or you have to watch?
He is. No, he's friendly with everybody.
Really? Hi, King
He
Wolf.
just gets crowded a lot, you know. So sometimes we give him breaks from pets and stuff.
Yeah. And how does he get along? Like when he sees other dogs? How does he?
He's good. He's good.
And what about the dogs with him?
Most of them are pretty good. Most of them are pretty good.
Hi, I finally met you in person. Hi. That's a big collar you have on him.
You gotta have two with the wolves. You have to have.
Oh, really? Whoa. Hi. How much does he weigh?
Right now he's a bit light. Down here, back home, he eats about 3 to 5 pounds of raw meat and bones a day in the summer. In the winter, he'll eat 5 to 7 pounds. But right now, when we're down on vacation, he doesn't eat much. He'd rather just, run around
Well, what does he weigh?
right now, he's about maybe like around 109 pounds, 10 pounds.
Yeah, because he's not heavy. He's lean.
Typically, he's over 120 though.
Yeah.
126 in the wintertime.
Yeah.
And
Where does he sleep?
he sleeps with me. He sleeps either on the bed or the floor. He looks at the floor a lot, honestly.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, my dog sleeps with me too, but she's little.
I bet she's so cute.
You're gonna get your own little segment. I'm gonna do the Wolf King of Wildwood.
Yeah, King Wolf.
Hi. You have a big face. Look at you. Now, I know this sounds crazy. Do they howl or do they bark?
He howls. The wolves never bark. They howl,
really?
growl, and whimper.
Oh, that's interesting. I have a little cockapoo who's only 20 pounds. She doesn't bark.
Oh,
She
wow.
just whimpers.
He would like to play with her. He loves little dogs.
Oh,
especially
really?
little girl dogs. Yeah, he would love her.
He could have her for dinner.
That'd be his best friend.
You're going to be a famous YouTube wolf.
That's right.
Good you brought him down on the beach so people could see him, you know?
Yeah. It's great to meet you. You're awesome.
Yeah. My grandson Kyle decided that he was going to transform his girlfriend Jenna into a beautiful mermaid. Let's see how well he did. Kyle is digging in the sand and he is making Jenna a mermaid tail. So when it's all done, I'll show you a picture. There's Aaron. He's curious to see what the heck Kyle is doing. Oh. Hannah and Aaron went in the water. Hannah looks a little chilly. She's got the towel wrapped all around her. Kyle's busy at work. Well, what do you think? I think Kyle did a great job. Isn't she the prettiest mermaid ever? What do you think, Jenna? We went out for dinner at the Tiki bar. And we didn't even realize it was Star Wars night. So they had some characters walking around. And of course, I had my picture taken with them. We're all having dinner tonight at the Tiki bar. We were here last year and it was so much fun that we came back again this year. Here's the bar. Oh look, I see Star Wars characters over there. We're waiting for the rest of the gang to get here. There's 12 of us all together. There's Scotty over there. Yay! I hope you enjoyed part 2 of our family's Wildwood vacation. We did so much that I've had to break this up into like 3 or 4 parts. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe because part 3, we're going to take you to the Cape May Zoo. And it's a wonderful little zoo. We saw so many fantastic animals, and you know, there's no charge. It's free to get in, and they really keep it up. It's so nice. And of course, the boys went fishing and bike riding. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. I love you all, and I appreciate so much when you watch my videos. And I will see you again. Keep your eyes open for part 3. Love you. Toodles!